Hi friends, Miss Jess here with another story. This one is called All Around the World, Italy by Jessica Dean. In this book, readers will learn about the unique and defining features of Italy. Okay, so we have a text feature right at the beginning, the table of contents, and we have covered this before. Just to review, the table of contents shows us a breakdown of what is in our book. So we have chapter 1, Welcome to Italy, and if we follow these dots, it tells us that Welcome to Italy starts on page 4. Then chapter 2, Exciting Cities, starts on page 8. Chapter 3, Life in Italy, starts on page 14. Quick Facts and Tools, we have At a Glance, a glossary, an index, and a section called To Learn More. Chapter 1, Welcome to Italy. And it starts us with a question. Would you like to see a volcano from a beautiful beach? I don't know. I'd have to be pretty sure it was an inactive volcano. Or visit a village tucked in a cliff? Do you like pizza and pasta? Then you would love Italy. Let's visit. Oh, no definition found right there. Okay. Sometimes when we have these little bubbles right here, if we click on them, they have definitions for us. Like the Alps, pronounced Alps. It's a mountain system in Central Europe. Mountain ranges southeast Australia in East Victoria. Southeast Southeast New South Wales, part of Great Dividing Range. Range of the Eastern Alps in West Slovenia, West Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, and Montenegro. It's a noun. It's a high, rugged mountain. All right. Rocky cliffs line Italy's coasts. The Alps are in the north. This is the highest mountain range in Europe. Rich farmland is south of the Alps. The Po River is here. Mountains run through the center of the country. That's a really nice view. It'd be really cool to look out your window and see that. Did you know Italy is on a fault line? It has more earthquakes than other countries in Europe. Active volcanoes are in southern Italy. Mount Etna is one. Ooh, that's a little scary. I don't know if I'd be okay with that. Chapter 2, Exciting Cities. Every city in Italy has a story to tell. Vatican City is located within Italy. It is the world's smallest independent nation. It has its own army. The Pope lives here. He is the leader of the Roman Catholic Church. Venice sits on many small islands. It has a canal system. People hop on water buses or they cross bridges to walk around the city. So here we have a canal. Oh, and we can click on canal. A tube-shaped bodily passage or channel, a duct, an artificial waterway for boats for draining or irrigating land. Now, unfortunately, these canals get really polluted, but right now they've been pretty clear because everybody's been traveling less. Pisa is home to a famous leaning tower. Florence is where some of the world's greatest art was made. Cirque Terre, remember, no refunds, has many mountain and coastal trails. Pizza was invented in Naples. Milan is a center of high fashion. Did you know construction of Pisa's tower began in 1173? It took more than 300 years to build. Why does it lean? It was built on soft ground. So they built this, well, they started building it in 1173. That was the year. Like we're in 2020 now. That was 1173. And it took more than 300 years for them to build it. And it leaned. Oh boy. But now lots of people go to check it out. The leaders of the Roman Empire ruled much of the world. When? More than 2,000 years ago. Buildings from ancient Rome still stand. The Colosseum is one. Rome is the capital today. The president is the head of the state. The prime minister runs the government. Parliament makes the laws. Italians vote for the lawmakers. Did you know ancient Rome's language was Latin? The Italian, Spanish, and French languages all started as Latin. The languages changed over hundreds of years, but some words are still similar. Chapter 3. Life in Italy. Families like to stay close. Children often live at home even after they grow up. Neighborhoods are built around piazzas. The church is there, as well as stores. People meet friends or catch up on news. Children play games together. So it's like how we have our courtyard in the Bailey Wing, and we can all go out there and meet up, and when it's nice and warm, we can go out and sit on the gliders, and sometimes friends from Miss Noel's class will come out, and we sit with her class and get to talk to friends we don't normally get to see all day. That's a lot of fun. So there's something we have in common with Italy. Many Italians have service jobs. These jobs are found in hotels. Restaurants, banks, healthcare facilities. Italians also work in factories. They make products such as machines, automobiles, and clothing. Farmers grow wheat, potatoes, and grapes. Olive trees fill the landscape. Some are thousands of years old. Wow. What do you think? Italians have many different kinds of jobs. What jobs do people have where you live? Well, this might be something else we have in common with Italy. Down in Cape May County, there's a lot of tourists that come to go visit the beaches in Cape May. So, many people work in hotels and restaurants, especially when the summertime comes and all the tourists come. Even people from within our own state will head down and stay in the hotels, and then that means they need to hire more people, so we have more jobs in the summertime. Lots in common with Italy. Take a look. Oop, I skipped a page. The big meal of the day is in the evening. Families take their time to enjoy their food. Sometimes dinner can last for hours. When I go to see family for holidays, on my dad's side, that's the Italian side of my family, and it was very surprising to my husband, Mr. Craig, how long a dinner can last. Because it goes on and for hours. Take a look. Time for dinner. The nightly meal has many courses. Each course is eaten one at a time. Many of these foods are native to Italy. We have salami and olives, meat or fish, salad, dessert, pasta. Oops, I missed the arrows. Pasta, vegetables, cheese and fruit, and coffee. So the order is salami and olives, then we go to the pasta, then we go to the meat or the fish, then over to the vegetables, oops, then down to salad, then to cheese and fruit, then to dessert, and then to the coffee. You'll be pretty full after an Italian dinner. Soccer is Italy's national sport. People swim and windsurf along the coast. Bicycle races follow narrow, twisting roads. Many Italians go on vacation in August. Businesses shut down. People enjoy the incredible beaches and mountains. Italy is a beautiful country. If you visit, plan to spend many days. There is so much to see. Okay, some more text features. We have our quick facts and tools area with a map. We have not only a map of Italy, but we have a little world map. And we have a compass, which shows us our cardinal directions are north, east, south, and west. We have also some information about Italy. We have a glossary that has all of, well, not all of the terms, but a lot of terms that we found in the book that are explained in a little more detail. Like ancient means very old. Pasta, food made from dough that is formed into shapes. It's boiled in a liquid and sometimes served with sauce. Native, grown or produced in a particular region. Parliament, a collection of people elected to make laws. And right here on this super tasty looking piece of tiramisu, we have the Italian flag. We have an index, another text feature. And if you're looking to understand more about one of these words, the number that comes after it, like right here we have army and an 8 next to it. This changing arrow makes it a little difficult for me to point to it. But if you see a word and you go across to the number, that's the page number that you'll find that word on. If you want to learn more, learning's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Go to www.factsurfer.com, enter Italy into the search bar, click the surf button to see a list of websites. So you can just go to factsurfer.com and learn all about different topics. That's pretty awesome. And if you would like to read more stories from this series all around the world, they have quite a few. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Wow, they have a lot of books. And then we get into some books that are more for fun reading. Like this ninja book, an environment book, one about the earth with a superhero on it. A lot of fun books on Get Epic. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed our read aloud, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon.